Okay, so I've taken a screenshot of my image that was in Cricut, taken the grid lines off. Basically you can't save an image, so we've screenshotted it, opened it in here, and then what we're going to do, we're just going to press flood selection tool, press the black, and it's got highlighted all around it. Then we're going to press this button which is called grow and shrink selection tool, which is really handy for this. We want it circular. Circular just means that we're going to get smoother outlines. And then the radius, we can just make it as big or as little as we want. I'm going to do it about 60. Press apply. And then what I'm going to do, we just need to fill all this in now. So I go on my brush. We've got the round brush. And we're just going to colour it in. Make the brush nice and big. There we are. Now, I don't really want these white bits sticking out. I want it as a complete background. So we just want to deselect this. So use it by doing a box, tap in anywhere. And we're going to go back to the paintbrush, back to our brush, but make it smaller. And then just fill these in. There we are. And then we've got the image. You just want to then export it. Save it to wherever you want, and then we're going to be opening it up in a Cricut, and you do the same as if you were adding your own image. You'll just have to delete the background, make sure it's smooth, and then you can put it in. Okay, so we're now back in Cricut. Here's my cake topper that I made. We are going to upload that image we made in Affinity Photo. I'm going to select from the library, and there it is. I'm going to clean it up and get rid of this white, so we're going to press remove. Just select it on there. You can see on the box it's all gone. Next, we just want to smooth those edges a little bit, make sure it's nice and tidy. Press smooth. And then next, we've got the cut image there. Just save it as whatever you want. And it should be the first one. There it is. It has come up really big. That is because we screenshotted it. The bigger the resolution of the image you can get, the better, because obviously it's easier to shrink something than it is to make something grow. And we've got it here. We want to just change the colour so it stands out from there. Then we need to arrange it, so we're just going to send it to the back. There it is. Now we're going to get it roughly the right size. There's probably easier ways to do this, but there we are. So we have got it there. Then what you want to do is just make sure you select the two layers. Just press a line down here and then center, so we know it's nice and straight. And then we're going to go to actions, group it together, so then it's going to move as one. And then just before you set it to cut, make sure it's the size you want it, in case you've accidentally changed the size there. And then when we press make it, we're going to have two separate mats. It's going to be cutting out the background, and then it's going to be cutting the text layer. And there we are.